Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you the 8K HDMI cable. This is from UGreen company, as you see. Today I'm gonna unbox and show you what is it. They say that this is HDMI 2.1, 8K 60 Hz, the fresh rate, okay? And 8K Super HD resolution, which is mean it's gonna be okay. Look, I'm gonna tell you something. I don't know why here they say that 32 audio channels. This okay. Here they say that it's 8K 60 Hertz. Why is not 120 Hertz 8K? Because now, for example, the Samsung S20 Ultra or the Note 20 Ultra, or the Samsung 8K, the new Samsung monitor 8K, it's 120 Hertz. Okay, I do know that there is no games or movies that support 120 Hertz and 8K until now in cinema. No games, no anything. But in the future will be. Actually, I bought this for the future. You know, guys, why I bought this cable? I want to connect the. Now I order 8K screen. I will do unbox soon, and I ordered Note 20 Ultra. I want to snap for 8K video and make my screen 120 Hertz resolution. Then I will connect this to my LCD, and I want to see the graphic how will be. You got me? I'm so excited for this. For example, I will go outside in natural. I will snap 8K video, show trees, show birds and everything. Then I will open it as I will see the view on the screen that 8K. Of course, I do need 8K cable. It's 4K cable. We're not gonna transfer the frame rate as I want. He will not fresh rate. Sorry, as I want. It's not gonna transfer the quality as I want. That's why I ordered this 8K. Actually, I didn't order it. It's 1.8 meter. It's too enough from LCD to my phone. You got me? Because I have standard for my phone. The point here that this is why I order now 8K, because I want to see the unlimited graphic. You got me? I want to see how it will be. And in the future, if there will be games 8K or it will be movies 8K, I have the cable for the 8K. Because you have to know, if you will have 8K Samsung screen and you will have, for example, Note 20 Ultra 8K, if you will not have cable 8K, you will not support gonna support the, even I guess it will be delay in the video. If for example to deliver the video, it will be delayed. Anyway, see, they say 8K Ultra HD. Listen to me. See here, this is what I tell you. Look, fresh rate 8K 80 Hertz and 4K 120. Here they write 8K 60 Hertz, 4K 120 Hertz. I wish that the cable is 8K 120 Hertz, which is mean when I will make my screen is 100 and I will do the plasma 120 Hertz, I'm gonna see, I mean, amazing picture. I'm gonna see something that like I'm in real life. You got me? I want to do this. Maybe if they will create in the future 120 Hertz, I will order also, because until now this is the latest technology for cables. There is no 120 Hertz. Don't believe these Chinese companies. Listen, UGreen, this is one of the most famous brands that they create cables and like this. For example, if you find Patriot, I'm gonna show you. This is Patriot. This company is one of the best as flash memories, accessories for computer, cables. Okay, if you found something like this Patriot, UGreen, something brand, okay, but don't buy for me Chinese, I mean non-brand, unknown brand. They will write for you 10K, not in. You want 8K? No, I will find for you 10K in AliExpress. And not only 160 Hertz, it should be 200 Hertz, but it's not real. You understand me? It will not be real performance. That's what I'm telling you. When you buy these things, it should be real. Great companies. They got me famous, branded. Why I need this? Why I need this? Why I need this? See this? It's German. Yeah, made in China, but they say it's located. The company original is German. It's 2 meter. This cable, guys. I ordered cable even I don't know how much. 100 or 2 meter. I don't know what's this. Stable. See, this says stable transmission. Cotton. This is for the weather. It would be wet and cold and like this. Okay. Anyway, let's open this. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah. 8K Scotch. It's not open easy. Wow, look, it looks quality. Yeah, I know UGreen. I try UGreen and a lot of things before. A lot of cables. It's nice company. UGreen. It's like Ukraine. Same word. Look, it's like this. It's not gold, you know. It's silver. Like this cable. Look, it's like this. HDMI, 8K. Okay, anyway, honestly, I'm not gonna use it now. Maybe I will try it in my recording. I will see how it looks like. Listen, I'm not gonna use it. I'm waiting for the. Listen, guys, where I'm living now, I ordered screen 8K Samsung. But listen, I didn't order. There is 2 8K from Samsung. There is big one as hell. I don't know, 120 inch. I don't know what's this. And there is a small one like 50 inch or 55 inch. Yeah. Anyway, I ordered from shop. He's the best price until now because everyone singing as he was. Someone $6,000, someone $8,000. This one I found it with $3,700. Okay. So this is nice price for the 8K. This size is too enough for me. I mean, 55 inch or 65 inch. I guess it's 65 inch. I have the order on my phone. I forget how much inch, honestly. This is too enough for me. If I'm gonna play PlayStation, it's enough for me. If, by the way, I'm so frustrated from PlayStation 5. Bullshit as hell. Guys, there's nothing in PlayStation 5. He's the same like 4. They change for you shape a little bit. They add little bit VGA more. And he's not 8K. It's not anything. So normal device. And also he will lagging like PlayStation 4 and everything. I'm not stupid to buy PlayStation 5, to be honest with you. I have gaming Alienware computer. I can download the graphic that I see in Alienware. My screen is 4K for my laptop. It's 4K screen. I see graphic that no one see, and the support the Oculus. I play Half-Life Alyx with Oculus. It's you will not see this graphic in Sony at all. Don't dream. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you something. One now on the screen will come the 8K, and I will try. And it's not 20 Ultra. I will do unboxing about him soon, because actually I ordered 500 giga, because I know 265 is not enough. Dual SIM card, S20 Ultra, and bronze color, 12 giga RAM. Because why I have to buy 8 giga, and then again this will not be cool in games or something. Better to jump to 12 giga, and we'll see. So guys, we'll see again on video with Hatem for Objection, and I hope you would like the video. Tell me what you think, please, about this cable. It's gonna be really 8K transferring, and what you think about 8K resolution. I wish to know. I mean, are we really going to see 8K resolution? It's just extra colors, and this is bullshit. And don't forget to subscribe, support my channel. My channel is dying. See you again in another video with KHALIL for Objection. Peace.